Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make barbecue sauce for meatballs. First, gather all your ingredients, including ketchup, vinegar, and spices. Next, combine everything in a saucepan and bring it to a gentle simmer. Cook until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency, stirring occasionally. Finally, pour the warm, delicious sauce over your favorite meatballs and serve. For this simple recipe, you will need 1 cup of ketchup, which forms the base of our sauce. Next, measure out 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar to add a tangy kick. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of brown sugar for sweetness and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce to deepen the flavor profile. To begin, whisk together all your measured ingredients in a medium saucepan until they are well combined. Place the pan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Remember to stir the sauce occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Once your barbecue sauce is ready, simply pour it warm over your freshly cooked meatballs. For an extra touch, you can garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley. If you have any leftover sauce, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Gently reheat before serving again for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.